SFM, Strategic Financial Management, paper for the I.C.M.A.P. exam, paper is divided into two parts. 1. 60% MCQs, multiple choice questions. 2. 40% descriptive. Result of I.C.M.A.P. This paper is worst, because paper is too typical. Students study through 3 to 4 books but result is just 0. Students, please change your study level and pattern and follow the useful instructions. 1. Avoid traditional study style. 2. Do not appear in exam before 6 months. 3. Study each and every day of 6 months. Petiwala recommended students to book 1. Ravi M Kishore's book Financial Management is widely considered one of the best resources for preparing for the I.C.M.A.P. SFM exam. His books and manuals are known for their clear explanations, detailed examples, and comprehensive coverage of the key concepts in financial management, which are vital for the I.C.M.A.P. exam. Ravi M Kishore Best of SFM paper of I.C.M.A.P. because the reasons is 1. It's cover the maximum syllabus. 2. Explain each and every topic from 0 to advanced level. 3. Easy way to explain in step-by-step presentation. 4. No need of teacher or any other books, it is more than enough. Petiwala recommended students to book 2. Students must use for practice CA, BFD, papers. There are several reasons why practicing with these past papers is highly beneficial. 1. Current I.C.M.A.P. paper style near to CA papers. 2. CA papers is conceptual based. 3. One of the key reasons students often turn to CA past papers is that they are often considered to be more challenging and detailed compared to I.C.M.A.P. papers. Here's why practicing CA papers helps I.C.M.A.P. students gain more command over SFM. Petiwala recommended students to book 3. 2500 MCQs on Financial Management, with Solutions, is an excellent resource for preparing for the I.C.M.A.P. SFM exam. The key benefits include comprehensive topic coverage, enhanced speed and accuracy for MCQ sections, better understanding of exam patterns, immediate feedback through solutions and explanations, targeting weak areas for improvement. If you're serious about preparing for the I.C.M.A.P. SFM exam, practicing this large set of MCQs will undoubtedly improve your performance and give you the edge you need. Finally, following a structured approach by studying 3 key books one by one is an excellent strategy for preparing for the SFM, Strategic Financial Management, paper for I.C.M.A.P. Each book serves a specific purpose and covers different aspects of the syllabus, which helps reinforce your understanding from multiple angles. By systematically working through these books, you can maximize your preparation and boost your chances of success. Suggested plan for studying the books. 1. Start with Ravi M Kishore's Financial Management. 2. Move on to CA, BFD, past papers. 3. Finish with 2500 MCQs. If you feel any confusion in video, please don't hesitate to call me. My name is Muhammad Tahir Petiwala and my WhatsApp number is 0309 200 9090.